2017 Mercedes Sprinter with front end collision damage. Frame rails are swung over about 6-7 inches. Take a closer look. Looks like the insurance company tore down the damaged parts. It does turn over, it does run, and it does move under its own power. It's a limousine. It's got a air conditioning unit on top. It's a diesel. I think the insurance company paid out somewhere around $75,000 on this. Let's take a look inside. Airbags are intact. This is where you power it up from. Start it right up. Got the air conditioning units on top. 15 passenger. Miles were somewhere around 35,000. It'll be on the website soon. Give us a call on pricing if you're interested. It's got a little damage back here. Backup camera. Thanks for watching.